What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? We are two guys in a bug. Back here in the garage doing some maintenance on her today, aren't we, Chris?
Yep.
What are we doing?
Rebuilding the rear brakes.
Yep. And
I believe it's this one. We're replacing the drum on this rear driver's side wheel here.
that's right, because so our last couple of videos ago, I don't remember when that was, we replaced the passenger side drum because that one stripped out. So we only got the one in, but we finally were able to get the second one, so we're going to replace that one too, just so they're both new and go through the brakes. We got a rebuild kit for them with the springs and whatnot, so we're going to get that set up and get new shoes on her and adjust it and all that good fun stuff. So we'll get you set up and show you what we're doing. So I'm trying to turn this, so you need to hold that so that doesn't turn. The center part. So here, so I'll push it in. There. Do the same with that one. What's that?
Doesn't want to come out.
Can't get it out.
There you go.
Right. And then get it. Without stabbing myself. That's good. There we go. Alright, so that's how they came off, just like that. Right?
Yep.
So we need to go back on that way. You're gonna need to, oh, we gotta get the kit. and then we're gonna clean all that up though first.
Okay.
That's why I got the brake clean. So grab the. You can move that old drum out of the way and grab the oil pan to set underneath it. Careful, there's still a little oil.
How can you take that off?
Got a clip. You guys can't see that what she's doing there. Careful, you're gonna go right into your thumb.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, hang on. I'll show you here. There we go. That was fun. All right, so with a little bit of struggle, we got this one put back together. I'll show you the video on the other one now that, because it has been, when was the last time I did rear brakes? I was probably 15, I think, when the last time I did rear brakes. No, maybe not quite that old or that long ago. I'm trying to remember, Chris, last time I did rear brakes that were drum. I don't know. I remember doing them in a car my dad bought when I was like 15, and yeah, so it's probably been a couple years, just a couple. So, and I lost my tool that I had for these springs. I'll show you how I did it on the other side when we go to do that side. It's not hard, but the tool makes it a whole lot easier, and I'll show you. I'll put a picture or whatever somewhere in there, you'll see it, a picture of what that tool looked like. And if you have one, use it, because it's so much easier for the springs, putting these springs on and these springs. But again, I misplaced that somewhere. Like I said, I had that back when I was like 16, so that's an old tool. But anyway, we're gonna get the drum on here, get the brakes adjusted, and we'll hop on to the other side. All right, we're back in action. Had to delete some stuff because, you know, we're on a budget here, so we're just using my phone as a video, and I done run out of space, so I had to delete some old videos. So Chris is getting that cotter pin in there. Oh, So you want to,
I need to do it.
yeah,
Well, I can't rotate it. So I gotta.
bend it up.
Only been both sides up?
Well, one side up, one side down. I think technically the long side you bend one way and the other one you cut off. I don't know. There's so many different things and people say different things. And so just get it bent some way and then take the little hammer and flatten them out. That's good. Just take the hammer now and flatten out the little one. Don't be afraid of it. You're not going to hurt it. You want it tight. You don't want it to wiggle like it's wiggling.
Okay.
The same thing the other side, because we did not check that one or put the pin in yet. So hopefully we got a hole lined up there.
It's like just barely, maybe.
We get it?
Try.
No.
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 It's like just barely.
No. Yeah, so we need to get the torque multiplier and tighten it up a little bit more. And get me literally we just gotta go like a turn, a quarter or two. Here it is. Oh. Yeah, throw the brake on.
Brake's on.
You gotta go one more.
As much as I can do it.
There we go. Now we can get her in there.
So that's it?
That's it.
Cool.
Put the wheel on.
I'll get this wheel on. Can't get the other one.
No, I see. I see how you are. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty painless.
Mm-hmm.
Once we figured out how to do it, like I said, it's been a while since I've done rear brakes, and I wanted to show him how to do it. So maybe another 50 years you'll have to do that. Those rear brakes, they don't get used much. So so there you go. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'm gonna go hop in the pool. What are you gonna do, Chris? You can take a shower?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. You actually got dirty this time. Look at his hands, guys. Look, he got dirty. Nah, he does a lot of work. So, all right, with that, thank you again for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. See ya.